Okay, so guys, as I explained, mostly, the Saturday session will be for doubts. So I could see very less strength today. But no issue. If you have any doubts, yeah, you can ask me now. I'm happy to assist you. And then if there is no queries from your side, then what are the tasks I have given? I'll go with the review first. Okay, and then I'll continue, other concepts today. Okay. So first, let me know, guys. Do you have any queries?
No, sir.
My skill not support number data type in MySQL support int set. I use this for in table department. Okay, nice. Sampath. Yeah. This is I think I already explained, right? Oracle have a number in MySQL we should use int. I think I already addressed this. Okay, good. Anyhow, you tried. Guys, if you guys don't have any queries, yeah, can you ping in the chat that if anyone finish the task. So I'll make you as a presenter. You can share your screen. I'll take a quick review. Guys, can you just ping in the chat, if you're done, just type done. I'll make you as presenter and I'll take a quick review. Okay, Sampath, you're done. Sampath, but you're done in MySQL, right, Sampath? But no, I just want to verify in Oracle. Okay, because I given software Oracle for everyone. Okay, so if I review it, yeah, they make it confused. Okay, yeah, guys, no one is dead except Sampath. At least you tried, right? At least one or two, at least. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Thanks, Jyoti, for confirming. So, Bhavna, how many of you done? Can I make you as presenter, Bhavna?
Yes, sir.
Nice, man. Nice. Happy to hear. Just one voice. Okay, you can share your screen. Sumant, you also did. Super. Yeah, I made you as a co-host, Bhavna. You are ready to share your screen and yeah, make sure that no browser has already opened with any your personal information. So please close it now if anything else is already open in your machine. Okay, close it and then you can click on start share. Yeah, your screen is loading for us. Yes, we are able to see your screen. Uh, so I was expected, you should open a notepad file where you have written the code. I hope you follow the same approach, right? Can you open a notepad where you written all the queries? Guys, what about others? At least have you tried at least one or two? Or you're completely not started? Or, you know, you're not able to understand the things? Can you give your comments, please? Because, guys, I just want to understand, whether you are understanding the things or not first. Because almost we are done with the first week, and as I explained, this is a base for the rest of all sessions. Okay, can you please confirm in the chat?
Sir,
Is it?
sorry, sir. I was not written at notepad. I was written at notes and I was practiced in the SQL command, sir.
Oh, well, as I explained yesterday, hope you recall.
Yes, sir. But I'm
First,
sorry, sir.
that's okay, no issues. At least you can delete them all by using drop command. But what I was expected, yeah, if you have that backup, no, it will benefit for you actually. Okay, no worry if you're not maintaining a backup. Guys,
Okay, sir.
if
I won't
any,
repeat it again, sir.
no issues.
Yes.
Yes, if anyone completed and if you have queries in Notepad, please let me know quickly so that I make you as a presenter. I'll take a review. I think someone already pinged. Oh, you have a note, Suman. Thanks, man. Okay, I'm making you as presenter. Wait, Suman. So, Yeah, you're ready to share your screen. You can. And from now onwards, na, everyone, please, when you are practicing, always keep your queries in a notepad file. Okay, I know you guys are directly practicing on SQL prompt. Yeah, that's not a good idea. Okay, someone, yeah, ready to share your screen. Uh, okay, I also noted in notepad, sir, but I need to, it's right or wrong. Okay, have you executed that queries, Devi?
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah. So I can see your screen, Suman. Yeah. Scroll down. Okay. I'll go with your first table. This is all I have explained, right? Scroll down. Uh, where is the tasks?
Just a minute, sir. I'm trying to share the.
Hmm.
So can you see my comment prompt?
Yes. But have you not written the queries in Notepad?
Yeah, yeah, sir. Just a minute.
Can you please open it?
Yes. Yeah. Can you see my notes, sir? Uh,
See, I can see your Google Drive notes. Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. This is where I written the notes.
See, that is my programs, right? I given
No, no,
some.
no, sir. Just a minute. I'll scroll down and
Uh,
yeah,
uh,
this is the assignment you have given, and
oh, wait. Where is the employee table? We'll go with table by table. What is
yeah,
it?
this is just a minute. So this is a person table, and this is the person table code create.
Okay.
I
Wait,
have
wait,
written.
wait.
Yeah,
Okay. Fine, fine. So first, have you not created employee table?
yeah. I have created an employee table. I mean, here we only have person table and orders table now, sir. So I have created both tables, person table and orders table.
Wait. See, in there is a one folder I have pinged you, right? In Drive. I'm not sure whether you get a chance to go through on it. That's okay. Let me review others. Okay. See, the first, can you scroll little top?
Yeah, just a minute. And this is the second assignment you have
No, no,
given.
no, no, no. Stay. Just go top, little top. No, man. Can you scroll down?
Yeah,
Stay
yeah.
on person table and order table queries. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a little bit loud, down, little down. Okay. So the first review for Sumant is you should not give a in a table name. You should not add a table word. Just you have to write persons. That's it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. Maybe you can later review it.
Uh,
So, but let me check the column. Person ID, number, primary key, good. Last name, good. First name, good. Age, no, this is what I was not expected. For age, you written not null, but
yeah,
you should add not null space. Check constant also. Check, you can write age
greater than zero.
greater than 0 and below 100. That you need to write it. Okay. Yeah, this is just review comment. No, don't type it now because I just reviewing here, right? You can add
Yeah,
them later, okay?
okay,
Guys,
okay.
those who are already finished, yeah, you can take my comments as review, okay? And yeah, similarly, orders table is there now. You should not use a word table when you're writing a table name. You understood, Sumant, what I was saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go with order ID, not null and unique. Order number, primary key. No. We should use vice versa, okay? Make order ID as primary key, order number is unique and not null. Okay.
Yeah, okay,
And
sir.
then
It's both are
person
same
ID,
also.
no. Okay. Order, because in future you will be learning a concept called something, indexes. So there, yeah, the order ID should be primary key, not order number. Okay.
Okay.
So change it. And then person ID number references to person table person. Yeah, this is makes sense. Good. Okay, scroll up. This is student and courses. First you have to create. See, this is what you did good way, no? Because here in your table name, you're not mentioned courses table. This is the way that I expected. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Create table courses. Course ID primary key. Okay. Okay. Nice. Course name. Yeah. Not only unique. Correct. This is what I expected. Next students. Student ID primary key. Okay. First name, last name, not nulls. Course ID references to courses, course ID. Nice. Excellent. Scroll down.
This is the output, sir.
Nice, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. First we'll go to customer table. It's an independent table. Customer ID, first name, last name. Okay. Next, products. Yeah. Product ID, primary key. Product name, not null, unique. Oh, okay. But see, for price, it's amount, right? So again, you should add check constraint. Okay. There you
Okay.
can write greater than zero. Just make greater than zero. Okay. Later you
Okay.
can add it.
Mm.
The last one is child table, product orders. Still again, same review here. You should not write order ID as not null unique. You should make it's a primary key.
Yes, sir.
One table can allow one primary key, right?
Yeah.
So you have to make order ID as primary key. Okay.
Mm.
Now maybe you can ask me a class question, sir. Already I created tables. Then you're asking me to, modify it. How do I do that? What you need to do is first delete the tables. Okay. Use a command,
Mm.
drop space table name. Okay.
Drop space table name. Okay, sir. Continue.
Exactly. Just everything will be deleted. Okay. Then you can do the changes and create it first. And make a note when you are deleting the tables, when
Mm.
they are in relationships.
Okay.
When you're deleting the table, when they are in relationship,
Yeah.
first delete childs. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. First.
First,
Mm.
first always delete childs,
Mm.
then delete parents. That is the order. When we creating, first we'll create parent, then create childs, right? But in during deletion part, first always you have to delete childs and then delete parent. So in this context, first you have to delete products order. Okay, and then you have to delete products, and then you have to delete, the what is that one more table? The parent table is customers, right? Yeah, that you need to download. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let me check your foreign keys. Yeah, foreign keys looks good. And one more review here: quantity should add a check constraint as well. Make greater than zero. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. I think all are good, but I think you missed the employee table. Okay,
Sir.
okay, fine, no issues. Yeah, good job, Santosh. Um, I did stop share to you. Guys, am I audible, everyone? Sumant, you can go mute. Guys, you understood the review comments? Please confirm. Everyone understood review comments?
Yes, sir.
Only Bhavana is listening. Not everyone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, thanks, Devi. Okay, guys, you know what I was expecting. This is the first task I given, correct? On daily basis, on daily in the sense, based on every topic is I'm used to give the task to you. I'm happy to give, use the task to you. But what I was expecting from you, you should sit on the task and you have to complete it. As I explained yesterday, don't take anyone help. And if you're stuck anywhere, yeah, you can stop me in the beginning of session itself. Still, again, I was supposed to ask you, guys, have you started writing the queries? If you're stuck, please let me know right away. I'll assist you right away. If not, please let me know. Guys, have you started writing the queries? Because after 2 to 3 days, if you ask me, sir, can you explain create table? Or sir, I stuck in create table. No, I won't help. Okay, I won't help. Okay, right. And I can see people what did they do? No, now they'll take my classes light. Okay, but when comes to start interviews, right? Then you will struggle to learn everything from the beginning. So that doesn't make sense actually. So day by day, if you practice the thing and complete the things, that's actually the make sense. Okay, 1 second, okay, so I was getting a call. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm back. Uh, I don't know why less people have joined today, but yeah, as I explained to you today, if there is no questions for you, I'll go, further concepts today. So are we good to go, further topics today?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, nice. So guys, the last session, I have explained create command and insert command. Uh, can anyone just unmute and tell me what create command will do? What create command will do?
Create the
Create
table.
database and database options.
Correct. It will create a table. What is your syntax to create a table? Quick. Anyone? What is
Create
syntax to?
table name
That's it.
parenthesis, and inside that we have to write CDC.
CDC.
Nice, nice, nice. That way, guys, you can remember it. Nice. So inside open and close parenthesis, and in between you can write CDC. What is a first C for?
Column name,
Next C for? Next D
data
for?
type,
Data type,
Next C for?
constraint,
constraints,
Can we give one constraint or we can give many constraints?
multiple constraints.
Multiple constraints.
Nice, nice. Okay. And how do we ensure that? How do we ensure that the table is created successfully in a database?
We have to commit and write a query set. Select star from tab.
Yeah, commit ensure that your query will be, I mean, your whatever the query you return, that permanently saved into the DB. Okay, whatever the effect you did. And how do I see the list of tables? How do we see the
Select
list
star
of?
from tab.
Select star from tab.
Right.
Semicolon.
Select star from tab will give all the table list. Nice. Now guys, yeah, insert command is to insert the rows. Guys, can anyone unmute and tell me the syntax quickly?
Insert into
Insert into table name.
table name,
Nice. Insert into
Parenthesis.
table name. Hmm.
parenthesis,
Parenthesis. Column. Values.
values,
Yeah,
Parenthesis.
two
Column.
set of parentheses as I explained you. Yeah, what we have to write in first parenthesis, what we have to write in second
Column
parenthesis.
names.
column names and values.
Column name. Values.
Here you should say list of column names, and here
List of values.
List of values.
nice, nice list of columns, list of
List of
values.
values.
Good, good, good. I think guys, we are good on track. So the rest of all insert command syntaxes I'll be delivering at the end of session, not now. Okay. So I'll be focusing on a new topic today. That is something, working with the dates. Okay. Working with date. This is one of the powerful topic in SQL, guys, working with the dates. First of all, I want to give you few real-time use cases when to use these dates. I know now everyone using the phone pay. Right now, if you go phone pay, okay, if you go phone pay and you have an option history, right? You have option history, and there you can have an option something of filter, and you can filter your transactions, correct? Yes, you can filter your transaction. Filter in the transaction in the sense, yeah. So you can see at what time the transaction has happened, right? Time of transaction will be taken. Time of transaction, at what time you did, at what time the payment was sent, and you can track your payments in between the dates. In between the dates also you can track your transaction, and before the day, before the day, I mean before the date, what transaction you did, after the date, what transaction you did, everything else you can track it, right? This is one of the best example I can say, when to go with something, dates, guys. This is one of the best example I can say. And also, I want to take you one more example. Let's say in Amazon, you order something, right? In Amazon, you order something. The first thing is something, at what date, at what date the order is created. Order is created. Order is something, created. This is very important, what I was discussing, because the entire session, I mean, next to 10 to 20 minutes, next, 10 to 20 minutes, I'll be discussing the same concept only. In Amazon, once you place an order, so definitely they should track, at what date the order is created. Assume guys, yesterday you created an order. Okay. Yesterday you created an order, and in the order you mentioned something, you need one keyboard. One keyboard. Okay, so your order created date is 7th November 2025. And they mentioned that, delivery date. Again, that's a concept of date again. Okay. they mentioned that, a delivery date should be, 3 days. Okay. And it means it will be delivered on 10th. Okay. And now here, today, you decided to modify your order. Today, you decided to modify the order. Earlier, you made an order, you need only one keyboard. But your brother has came to you, Arey, and he was asking you to, Arey, you can, order one more keyboard for me. Then what do? You'll modify the order, right? So again, they need to track, right? So at what day your order is modified? At what date your order is modified? So how they will track this all? That's where the dates come into the picture. Okay. So I'll quickly take you one table. Okay. I'll quickly take in a table with the data. I'll take one quickly take in a table. Table name is orders. Guys, table name is orders. Okay, you have your order ready. Okay, you have your order ready. And what is the item that you ordered? Let's say order ID is 1. Okay, and item is something keyboard, right? And let's say price. Let's say 250 rupees is the price. 250 rupees is the price. Up to here clear? Hey guys, up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's talk about something, let's talk about some the customer ID. Yeah, I was not taking customer related data here. Guys, I was not taking, any customer related detail information. Let's focus on only, order related information. Order ID is 1. Okay, order item is keyboard. And, price is, 250. And then guys, order created date. Order created at what date, this order is created. And one more column, I was including something, modified date. Modified date. So you have to add 2 columns. Guys, you have to add 2 columns. So we know that order is created yesterday. Right? Yesterday in the sense 07, 07, 11, and 2025. Right? And the order is modified date today, right? This is the modified date it is. But see, yesterday when you created order, by default, by default, by default, your modified date also will take your system date only. I'll repeat. Whenever you create a order yesterday, when you make an order yesterday, your created date and your modified date default take your system date, guys. Your laptop date, your system date automatically takes. So this is all how I'll explain. No worry. Okay. And definitely, guys, you'll get one more column saying something, delivery date. Delivery date. So delivery date, yeah, they has to mention it properly. Nothing but they mention clearly on 10th. Okay, on 10th they'll be delivering this. On 10th, delivering this. So in this context, guys, carefully observe. In this context, this value manually insert. This value manually insert. This value also manually insert. And your delivery date also manually need to insert. But this delivery date based on your pin code. Right, this delivery date, some logic has written in server side. So this will be decided by, based on your pin code that whatever you entered. But again, this is, manually we need to insert. But if you focus on this created and modified date, you're not supposed to insert this dates manually. You're not supposed to insert these dates manually. These dates should be taken from our system automatically at the time of your order creation. At the time of your order creation, okay, from the system date it automatically. For that purpose, guys, you'll be use a default date something, sys date. So what this sys date will do is it will take automatically your system date, guys. Let's say you made out at 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock time will be inserted. Let's say you made order at 4 o'clock. The 4 o'clock, created date and modified date will be inserted automatically. This is something, what I want to explain today. So in this context, I'll repeat one more time. For created date and modified date columns, we should not insert values manually. Okay, we have to write a query. That query has to take our system date automatically. For delivery date, yeah, we have to insert the date manually, guys. This is what I explained to you now. Okay, so do you have any questions? You have any questions here? Arey, say yes or no, man.
No, sir.
Only one lady
No, sir.
has. Okay,
No, sir.
thanks. I could see. Oh, only girls are attended the class. No boys? No boys are joining the class?
Yes,
No,
sir, we are
sir.
here.
Arey, man,
Yes, sir.
respond no. Respond no. This is,
Yes, sir.
a general use case, right? Right? This is a general use case.
Weekend rides,
Okay.
sir, they are busy, I guess.
Sir. Might be, sir. Okay, guys, I think, we are good to, create the table now. So this is your table. And now you know the columns. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 columns are there. You already practiced around 8 create tables yesterday. So we are good to, write the create table for it. Can anyone unmute and guys tell me the query? So I'll write the query here. Create query first. Guys, go ahead.
Create,
I'll help you
Table
in
create
orders.
case.
table orders.
Orders.
Nice. Create table
Orders.
orders. Okay.
Parentheses.
Parentheses. Open
Okay.
parentheses.
Okay.
Inside
Inside a
parentheses
parenthesis.
CDC.
CDC. What is the first
Yes,
C?
sir. ID.
ID.
Nice. Column name.
Number.
Number.
Okay. Data type.
Number.
Nice. Next.
Primary key.
Primary key. Primary key.
Okay. Okay. So just give a pass. This is the first column definition we given. Okay. First column definition is done. Now this is the second column. Okay. This is the second column. Go ahead.
Item.
Mm,
Item.
Varchar.
Varchar.
right. Varchar of let's say some size. Next.
Not null.
Okay. Not null. Any other constraints are there in your mind?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. See, generally we can make unique also, but if you make unique, yeah,
We
we
can
cannot
add the same
this
product
yeah
again.
this column, right? That's what you should not give the unique here because you may order again one more keyboard, okay, and with some different price. Maybe the keyboard price is 350 rupees. So that's why I was not giving the unique constraint here. Okay, so I'm done with the second column column definition. Let's start the third one. Go ahead.
Price.
Mm,
Number.
Number.
okay,
Not null.
Not null.
okay.
And check, sir.
Check,
Check
check,
price
check,
is greater than 0.
Right. So always remember that when it's something, numeric value and numeric value, always, consider that check should be written here. Okay. Check, what should I
Check
write?
price is greater than 0.
Correct. Price greater than 0. If you really have a restriction, right, let's make this one as well. So it means what it validate, your price should be, in between 0 to 1 lakh rupees. It should not exceed 1 lakh. So this is optional. If you write greater than 0, that's that's, makes sense here. Okay, next.
Create date.
Yeah. So guys, if you think that, so this column is name is very big. This column is very big. If you think, make this column name this way. Okay, make this column name is this way. But this column name you can keep it as it is because this column tells that on which date it's going to be delivering. Okay, go ahead.
Created.
Yes, created and just
Date.
give a pass. Yes, you remember
Yes, sir.
we
Data
learn
type.
some data types. Correct. To store the dates, we use a data type called something date. Okay,
Date.
next. Right. And also, I think you're thinking here. Wait, I'll tell you what is a constraint you have to give it. As I just now explained, you should not manually insert. Okay, you should not manually insert. Hope you recall in yesterday's session, I explained. I think this one, guys. So when you're filling a form, when you're applying for a job, institute name for every student it will become 360 degree. Correct. For every student, it will become 360 degree. So we decided that institute name should not given by the user manually. Okay, that's what our decision. So that we make
Default.
default as a 360 degree. So if you see in my insert queries, insert queries as not declaring the institute name. If you're not declaring institute name when you are inserting the query, automatically 360 will
Default
be
value will
inserted
be
here.
taken.
Correct. Correct. Similarly here, today use case is created date column, modified date column. As I explained, we are not inserting manually. It has to take system date manually. That's the reason, guys. You should make it as a default. You understood why we need to take default?
Because
Yes, sir.
Guys,
every time we have to update it.
come again.
Because every time it will be updated by the system. Means today's
Right.
date.
Correct, Naga. Let's say, Naga, if I made an order at 7 o'clock, assume I made an order at 7 o'clock, it will
Yes,
take
sir.
7 o'clock time. Let's say,
Yes,
Naga,
sir.
you made an order at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock it will take from your machine. You understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. That's, guys, it has to be default. Default space. I explained already. Here, see. You should as it is, right? Sysdate. You should write as it is, guys, sysdate. No space, nothing. As it is, you need to write sysdate. What it will do, it will take your system machine. System date, guys. And don't get confused. Yesterday we written default 360 degree now. So 360 degree is inserted for all the rows, for all the students. Similarly, if you write system date, it takes your manual date from your machine, guys.
So no need to write any parentheses after sysdate.
No, that's what. Okay, go ahead. Next.
Modified
Mm,
date,
okay,
default sysdate.
Default is date.
nice. Is that okay? Next,
Delivery
last one.
date,
Delivery date. Okay.
date,
Or really, if you need, said I want to remove this. Yeah, you can remove it. No issues. Mm,
Date.
date.
okay. Wait. Here, as I explained, at server side, some logic has written based on the pin code that you're entering. It means it should not take our system date. So manually it has to be inserted. So you should not write default. Clear?
Sure.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
And
Yes, sir.
one more
Yes.
thing, when we make a order, definitely there should be a delivery date they will give, correct? So it should not be empty. It should not be empty. So you have to make it as not null. Understood? Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Automatically it will only take, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, you don't take automatically. See, the agenda of why I created this table schema this way. Wait. So here, with by understanding these two columns, okay, by understanding these two columns, you're going to be learning that how a system date automatically inserted for these two columns. This is point number one. And point number two is, okay, we given a date column, but we are not giving manually. So if you see the second, the delivery, the column, here we will be learning how to insert manual dates. Yeah, how to insert manual date. Guys, the first step is how auto dates will be inserted. And the second one is how manual dates will be inserted. That's what you're learning now. I hope this is makes sense now.
While inserting values, we have to give delivery date manually. That's it, sir.
Correct. That's what. So how a system take automatical date and how a user give manual dates. That's learning of this table. Clear?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, I think we are good to write second query now. Go ahead. How to write insert query now?
Insert into
Insert into
table name.
Yes, insert into table name is
Table name. Orders.
okay.
Open
Next,
parenthesis,
and
values parenthesis, semicolon.
next,
In
next,
first
next. Be
parenthesis, write
careful.
column names.
Be careful what columns you should list here. Be careful.
ID,
ID, manual,
Item.
manual. Okay,
Item.
next,
Item.
next.
Price.
Price,
Okay.
Created.
delivery. Delivery, sir.
Right. As I explained, no, you should be very careful. You should not write created date and modified date.
Only delivery
They ha-
date.
Exactly. You should say only delivery. Understood, everyone? Why we ignore the two columns?
because it
Those
is
are automatically
default.
taken, sir.
It was
Correct.
automatically taken. That was a default.
Correct. Correct. We'll see
Delivery
today.
value will give manually. That's all.
Okay. Yeah. Next guys, yeah, we'll go with the values now. Help me the values now.
ID 1,
One is your wait, I'll go step
ID
by step. Wait. One is your ID. Next, your item is
keyboard,
keyboard.
inside
Yeah,
single
it's
quotes,
your keyboard should be go in single quotes. Next,
250 price,
250 rupees. Next,
date,
just give a pass here. Okay, just give a pass here. If you want to store manual dates, where is it? Okay, there's few things you need to. I want to show you. So guys, what is a data type we given for the delivery column? What's the
date,
data type?
Not null.
Dates.
Dates.
Date
Right.
not null.
Now we have to do manual insert. Correct.
sure,
Correct. So the data type is there. Now we have to insert manually. If the column data type is there, and if you want to insert manual, then there is a one ready-made function is there. The function name is to underscore date. Okay. There's a one ready-made function is there. The function name is something called to underscore date. And this to underscore date take two parameters. The first parameter is your actual date. Okay. And the second parameter is format date. Format. Your actual date.
menu
And the
to
second
write,
one is, formatted.
delete.
Wait. So I'll go with one example so that now you can understand. Okay. So this is something, you need to know it before we want to write the queries, guys. So yeah. So this is your data type. If your data type is date, and if you want to insert the manual date, you should remember a function called toDate. So I can quickly show you one example here. So the example is you have to say toDate. You have to say toDate, and actual date is 10th November 2025. But when you give your actual date also, you should enclose in single quotes. It's mandatory. It's mandatory. Your dates always will be, stored in string format only. Okay. So you should give this is actual date, and I explain format. Hey, format is nothing but it's very simple actually. First one is DD, right?
D.
And the second is right?
YY.
And the next one is YY, right? This is, the format. That's it. This is something, guys, the example for it. Does that make sense, everyone?
So is it okay if
Yes,
you
sir.
don't give format?
No, that's what I given, it's a syntax. It's a mandatory. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go there. And here, beside 250, write it. Just beside 250, you can write it. Beside 250, as I explained, you have to insert manual date. If you want to insert manual date, you should use a to underscore data type. First argument is your actual date. Second argument should be your format. Now, let me run this query. And you remember, we cannot run this query directly. Okay, we should do a format because I know I given there a lot of blank spaces. So just select DB and format it. Yeah, now you have, a good query. Guys, as I explained yesterday, this everyday, this notepad file will be, updated. So this is 8th November, right? Yeah, in 8th November, whatever I'll be typing new to here, that you can catch it here, okay? Right. So where is notepad? Yeah, this is your insert query. Let's move it there. Okay, so this is what I was discussing now. Let's copy your create table. I'm opening my database now. Okay, I'm opening run SQL command as doing connect. Guys, this is also one more way to connect with your DB. Directly can give your DB name / password. But yeah, this is will show your password to everyone. And the first approach, no one can see your password. But yeah, okay. If you want to ensure that you are entering the right password or not, you can use this shortcut. Okay. Now guys, let's check how many tables are already exist. Yeah, yesterday we done with 3 tables. Now guys, today I was doing a new table creation, orders. Okay, so new table is created. See, your table gets created successfully. Now, yeah, don't forget to do a commit to make permanent save, and then take your insert query, take your insert query and run it. Hit enter. See guys, your one row is created. And the interesting thing, you are waiting that how system dates are inserting here. That's you want to verify, correct? So what is the command I have to run to see the data in a table?
Select star from
Select star from table name orders.
orders.
If you guys are already practiced yesterday, yeah, you'll be in sync with me. You should just say select star from orders. Now hit enter. Guys, see product ID, I mean order ID, item, price, and guys, this is what 10th November 25. Yeah, we can see some short date, but it's stored as expected. See, but yeah, the wonderful thing you need to focus. You created it, modified it. Since we given defaults is dates, okay, so it is taking your automatically dates, guys. Does that make sense, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, due date is used
Yes,
only for
sir.
manual dates.
Come again?
Due date is used for only manual dates. Straight
No, your
due
voice
date.
is not clear, Naga.
Sir,
You can
any
wait,
of
wait,
the
wait, wait.
business.
You can speak slowly. Okay,
Sir, am I
go
audible?
ahead. Ah,
Sir, am I
yes, now you're audible. Go ahead.
Sir, see, due date is used for only for manual dates.
Ah, nice. See, you start speak this way so that everyone can understand. Yeah, you're asking this. To underscore date is to insert manual dates only. Okay, if your data type is date and you want to insert a manual date, okay, then you should use a to underscore date function. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice. Okay, guys, I'm giving 1 minute time to you. Okay, I was thinking that this is little bit not fulfilling my requirement. Can you spend more 1 minute and tell me what is missing here?
Sir, can we change the format of the date?
Yeah, that you can do, Deva. That's
Month, a day, and year like that.
yes. When you're inserting, if you based on your format, you can insert the value. But yeah, I can give still 1 more minute thing and just focus on this. Somehow it's not meeting the complete requirements. Let's see how many people. Let's see.
The values are not in center, sir.
No. Just focus on this.
We have to align them.
Again, still Naga. Speak slowly.
Sir, we have to align them.
Huh?
Alignments. Alignments.
No.
Here
Okay.
format.
No.
Month, a month, sir. Month is coming in NOV.
No. This is a hint,
Year,
guys.
month, date, sir.
No.
Time,
Here is a hint.
time.
Exactly.
Sir.
Exactly. Okay. See, it's if you go with the date data type, right? If you go with the date data type, where is it? Yeah. If you go with the data type, it has a limitation. The limitation is it cannot capture the time.
So we have to
Clear?
use timestamp.
Wait. I'll come to that point. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Okay, guys, you understood, right? The limitation of date is it cannot capture your time. It will capture only date. So, sir, but my requirement is I want to capture both. I want to capture both. Then this date data type, through date data type, you cannot do that. You should use a data type called something not timestamp without any space. You have to write timestamp. Is everyone clear when to go with timestamp?
When you want
Guys,
time also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. When you want to go with time, when you want to store both manual date and time, then you have to go with timestamp, guys. I mean, if you want to capture both date and time, you have to go timestamp. So then, what is the function name you have to use? Yeah, the function name is same, guys. Timestamp. So here guys, you have to give actually your date and time. Okay, and guys, the format how to give it. So how will it be the format? Yeah, I can show you guys a sample format here. I can show you the sample format here. So here you should say to timestamp. Here you should say to timestamp. Here you should say to timestamp. And here you can give, yeah, 10th, yeah, 10th 11 2025. I'm giving the time. Let's say they decided to deliver at 10 o'clock. So 10, okay, let's say 10 hours, 30 minutes, and let's say 45 seconds. Yeah, this time they are delivering. Assume this time they are exactly delivering it. Now, sir, how the format goes? Guys, in the format, you already given DDMMYY, that you need not to change it. But when you're giving hours, you should type HS24 zone, HS24 zone, because it's a morning, 10:30. So 24 zone, you know it. Okay, 24 zone, you know it. In 24-hour zone, it's given. Okay, and put column and should it MI say it's minutes. Okay. And finally, you should say SS, nothing but seconds. And this is the format, yes, you should use as it is. No more changes. You should read as it is. If you want to store hour, minute, seconds, you should declare this way. But sir, I need in 12-hour format. Yeah, you can change it to 12. Yeah, it's automatically stored, in 12-hour zone. So this is the difference between date data type and time data type, guys. So today's session is about date and timestamp data types, date and timestamp data types. Okay. So if you go with the date, if you want to insert manual date, you have to use two underscore date function. If you want to use timestamp, yeah, you should use two underscore timestamp function.